What's up, LA? Come on. First and foremost, I'd like to thank everybody out in this crowd. Y'all looking good tonight. I ain't been here in a long time, but I always kept in my heart, BET always make sure that they represent the culture right and always put me in the midst of the cycle of what we represent, and that's real, true, down-to-earth music that people can feel, so I always give my heart to BET. To my folks in the building, all my LA natives out there, I see y'all in the back as well. Yeah. God, first and foremost, my company, PG Lane, says in the crowd, we on tour right now. Please come to the show. Yeah. And all that, we're going to keep this thing going. I appreciate y'all. Love and respect to BET. Thank you every time.